Hello and welcome to this video. I'm back again with a new one in this deserted lab here. And if you notice from the last video, there are a lot of different props now and small mountains. So here we are again in the game called, well, working title, Fireworks Playground or Fireworks Mania as it's actually called right now. Again, as I said before, it's a working title, so the game name might change. And if it changed, I guess I have changed the title of this video depending on when you see it. So anyway, we have this game I'm working on. The whole one-liner is playing with fireworks. So the game is about playing with fireworks. Of course, something, kids out there, don't do that in real life. That's why we have this game where you can play around with rockets and throw them around, fire them off right next to you. You can maybe hold them in your hand while you have them fired. I don't know. No, I cannot do that yet. Anyway, don't do that in real life. Do it in a game like this. So what do I want to show in this video? Yes, the last video I talked about the graphics, and right now it's kind of a combination of some custom models and some bought models and some just some boxes with some concrete textures on it, and that's fine for testing purposes. But already I am bored with looking at this because I've kind of worked on this game for some time, and also when I start showing it off online now on YouTube and other places, visual stuff just is important. It's early on, it's prototyping and all that, but still looking at this gray thing is kind of boring. So I went out and brought some stuff on the asset store. I really like these clouds here. It just gives good feeling. Anyway, so I went out on the asset store and bought some prototype assets from Synty Studios. So these are their prototype package, which includes a lot of low poly things. And I really like this low poly thing also to make the game not too serious. The game is supposed to be fun, not super realistic and too true to how things are in real life. It's supposed to be fun playing with fireworks. So I just dragged in a lot of these prefabs here. I cannot do anything. Well, this is a barrel, apparently you can see. I just put a script on that so we can see it's a barrel. Can't do anything, you can't push it, you cannot do anything. So kind of boring right now, but the style kind of indicates that is these orange ones or yellow ones is kind of used in this. It's a theme in this prototype, so it's clear that it's a prototype thing and not a final thing. Anyway, in the game there could be some kind of level which is a lab or something, and I can also use these for prototyping out to build a little more beautiful prototyping environment than I have here. But anyway, I got this asset pack to kind of build that and use that. So I just dragged them in here to see them kind of in-game, and as you can see, they are pretty good looking, if you like this style, of course. Cartoonish, well, and at the same time, nicely done. The car, I don't think I need that. But in the final game, I could have something like this, which is more kind of realistic, if you live in a low poly world. Can I jump these? Yes, I can. They have a collider. Okay, so I can actually touch the clouds. Woo! Okay. Oh, there's a little forest. I remember that. Okay, so this is just to give you a little hint of how the game could end up looking like, at least art style wise. I'm a programmer, I'm not a modeler. And taking on all of these sounds and modeling and game logic and blah, 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 blah on your own is kind of hard. So to some extent, I'm paying off getting some things that I cannot do myself, not if I want to complete the game in this life. So the game will most likely end up with a lot of these Synty Studios models. Right now it's the prototype pack, but I have also my eyes on some of their other packs, like the town, village, city, western, stuff like that. Could create different environments where you can play along with fireworks. That could make sense. I don't know. We'll figure it out. At least this gives an indication. One more thing is that, oh yeah, the firework models. This one over here I created myself. Yes, I'm very proud. This was what I could do in Blender in my first try. So that's something. But I actually think that this style, of course, doesn't match the low poly. That was before I kind of got that idea. So I will start seeing more Blender tutorials, and because I think my 3D modeling skills could be enough to build some decent, simple firework models, like this is just a box with a texture, but I could add some more in Blender to make it a little more funny looking batteries, and I can also make some different rockets. I think my Blender skills is okay to do that. More than that, well, not really. I'm a programmer, as I said, so it's not my deal doing all this modeling thing. So let's end off this video with just firing off everything. So let's see. Nothing much changed there to the fireworks. Now it's just in an environment with low poly models. So if you like this game idea or game devlogs thingy, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You have to say that when you have a YouTube channel, apparently. So I'll say that. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. See ya.